Hey guys, welcome in. Thanks for being here. Today we're covering some algebra basics and specifically how to simplify algebraic expressions. This is for anyone who's preparing for the SAT or the ACT, or if you just need a refresher on some of the fundamentals. These are really the most basic, the most fundamental concepts in algebra. So let's begin with a very simple one, the simplest form of all. So if you have x plus 4 equals 12, you kind of know intuitively that x equals 8, but you won't see problems that you can just figure out intuitively most times, so you need to know the process. And the idea always is to isolate the variable, and the variable, of course, is x. Okay, so you want to isolate x, so you get it in the form of x equals something. All right, once you have x equals something, then you've solved. So in this case, we have x plus 4 equals 12. We need to isolate the x by removing the 4. So the way to get rid of a plus 4 is to subtract 4. And of course, if we subtract 4 from one side of the equation, you got to do it from the other as well. So take 4 away from both sides, and x will equal 8. Okay, so that is, again, the most fundamental of all. Same concept, x minus 4. To isolate that variable x, we'd want to add 4 to both sides in this case. So x would equal 16. Now if you see something like this, 4x equals 12, 4x means 4 times x. So if it's 4 times x and you want to get rid of the 4, you need to divide by 4. And again, do it on both sides of the equal sign. So if you divide each side by 4, 4 over 4 is equal to 1. So you would be left with 1x, which equals x. So those 4's cancel. And x would equal 12 over 4, or 3. Now, x over 4 means x divided by 4. So if it's divided by 4, in order to get rid of it, we need to multiply by 4. And that will get rid of the denominator of 4. So times 4 on both sides would be 4x over 4 equals 12 times 4. Those cancel. X equals 12 times 4, or x equals 48. X plus 4 over 2 equals 7. First multiply by 2 to cancel the denominator. Again, the x plus 4 is over 2, which means it's being divided by 2. So to get rid of that, you would multiply both sides by 2. So you'd end up with x plus 4 equals 14. Now you still need to isolate the x, so you subtract 4 from both sides. And that will isolate the variable, in which case x equals 10. So that's it for Algebra Basics. Thanks for joining in today.